ये बरनामिज बेसबब यौम अल-वतनी कुल्लु आम अंतुम बखैर यौम सईद ले ममलिका अल-अराबिया अस-सऊदिया अल-अखतु सऊदी अरेबिया अशर सऊदी अरेबिया बलदुल अमनी व सलामा सऊदी अरेबिया महफूज मिन जराइम अना अशकरु मलिक सलमान व कुल्लु मौलिम व मौलिमात मिन अमाकी कल्बी शुक्रन लक Saudi managers, Saudi colleagues, coordinators, teachers, and my dear children. We welcome you all today on this special day. On behalf of the junior section of Delhi Public School, Riyadh, I welcome you all to the special assembly on the occasion of Saudi National Day. A hearty welcome to each one of you. Saudi Arabia celebrates Saudi National Day every year on 23rd of September. And the theme of 93rd National Day is We Dream and Achieve. The emphasis of the theme is to create the progress and motivation that Saudi Arabia has achieved. They want to turn this dream into reality. And we wish Saudi Arabia all the best for the Vision 2030. Saudi Arabia for giving us an opportunity and chance to work and serve the children of different nationalities. We are also thankful and grateful to all our Saudi managers, our Saudi colleagues working in boys wing, girls section and junior wing for their constant support and cooperation. We are indeed like a family and we will continue to work in harmony with each other. Thank you so much for all your support. We wish that Saudi Arabia prospers. Long live Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much.
Saudi managers, coordinators, teachers and my dear friends. I, Mohammed Hamza will be conducting today's special assembly on the occasion of Saudi National Day of the pre-primary section. Let's start the day with a prayer. So now I call Ahir and Vinaya to recite the Kirat and the translation. Muslim Australia and the custodian of two great men. The king had the opportunity to live and study in beautiful and peaceful country. May Allah bless the kingdom of Australia. Abundance, long live King Vietnam. I call upon you, Jane, for an speech on Saudi National Day. هذه البلوغات التي اليوم للوطن المملكة العربية السعودية أسأل الله يحفظ الأمة المسلمة وأن يأمرها بالعلم والازدهار. On this day, the kingdom of mixed languages were united by Abdulaziz Edition. This day is celebrated with traditional festive dances and worship. The streets and roads are decorated for it. This is our second home country, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Happy Saudi National Day. Allah and Rasul. Thank you.
Starting with the national emblem, Viman, Nursery A. The Saudi bridal dress by the Chinese Office Nursery. The bride. We'll start with Saudi dress, Mustafa, Prep AIG, and Zainab, Prep G. The abaya was Shahar from Prep AIG. Please give up a broad please. Now, I present you the model of Makkah and Medina, holding by the girls from Prep A, Ayana and Minha. The Quran girl presented by Aliza from Nursery A. Good children, please take your position. Yes. And my box held by Arhan from Nursery C. Now to present you Abdurrahman Now I present you the Crown Prince, Doshik from K.S.A, as King Salman, the Royal Highness. The Crown Prince Doshik as Mohammed bin Salman from K.S.A. Now Mariam from K.S.A, presenting the national animal of Saudi Arab, camel. Bilal from K.S.A, the musical instrument, one of the 7 musical instruments. This instrument is called oud. It is played with the strings and it is a very traditional instrument. The national bird by nursery C. Ayat. National bird Ayat. National fruit date by Inaya from nursery B. Take your position. National food Hafsa by Ilaf from nursery D. Kindly cheer up their energy level on the stage, please, by clapping. Thank you. Next is the national drink Gahwa, presented by Anas from nursery AIG. The national staple food rice by Now bringing you the most amazing, the first robotic citizen of Saudi Arab, Sophia, presented by K.S.A from nursery A. Give a big round of applause, please. Saudi Arabia is the first country to give the citizenship to the robots. Now I present you the bride and the groom, the tiny tots from pre-nursery, Muhammad Anas. The bride is still not ready. Please wait. The bride is not ready. Please wait. It's okay. We'll move on to the famous towers from Saudi Arab. The famous tower by Ranip. Jeddah Tower, which will be the tallest tower in the world as per the Guinness record, is brought in by Shivkesh from Prep BIT. Thank you. Okay, now the bride item is ready. I hope your clapping will boost up, please. Yes, Muhammad Anas from pre-nursery and Minhar from pre-nursery. Yes, very good, very good. Yes. Catch your hand, Anas, catch your hand. Catch your bright hand.
And children, it was indeed a pleasure seeing you all in different colors of Saudi Arabia. You all are aware that why are we gathered here today? We have gathered here today to celebrate Saudi National Day, right? You have already shown us too many important things about Saudi Arabia, all the landmarks. You have given us some glimpses about the Saudi culture and history, right? Your teachers have worked very hard to prepare all these models and to dress you up You are all looking very pretty. Okay, so enjoy the day. You have a holiday on Sunday as well on account of Saudi National Day. So enjoy your holidays and pray for the safety and well-being of Saudi Arabia. Because this country has given us an opportunity to be here and to contribute to its development. Okay? So enjoy your stay here, be good to the natives and be happy. Right? It is indeed very difficult to keep these students in this heat for so long and expect them not to create a chaos. It's but natural. So, be good to them. And kids, you are all looking very beautiful today in your Saudi attire. Enjoy the day. Thank you so much. And the teachers who have put up this show, congratulations to them all. Thank you.